Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. If you want your nails to look their best, you have to start with the best tools, and this rechargeable nail drill from Kiara Sky is definitely one of those tools. As mentioned, this drill is rechargeable, and that's what drew me to it. If you do nails often, then you understand the pain that is having multiple things that need to be plugged in, but not enough outlets to plug them into. But thanks to this, I have one less thing to worry about. Mine came already charged and lasted me throughout this entire removal process and then some. With battery powered things, the misconception is that it won't be as powerful, but this drill cannot relate to that. No matter what I was using it for, whether taking off old nails, nail prep, or just general filing, it kept up with everything. I also appreciate that the company was very thoughtful in their design of this drill. For example, the handpiece is lightweight and slender, so it was easy to hold, especially for someone like me that has tiny hands. I can precisely select what speed I need so I don't have to worry about overfiling. And lastly, the body is acetone resistant. Seriously, whether pro or beginner, this is such a great option. And that's my point of view.